morning everyone. Welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. So today we are here, we have an update from GNLU Silvassa, Gujarat National Law University Silvassa regarding the vacancies. As we know, already students who have done Clat 2023, they have got seat allocation under 5 counseling dates, but this is an update for those candidates who have did not got any seat allocation under various counseling situations. So now Gujarat National Law University Silvassa has released the available vacancies with it. So let us have a look into that. So almost every university individually is releasing its vacancies in their own website, but for the convenience of our Abhyaas students, so we have created a dedicated portal to look into various law universities. Let's have a look. See, in the Google, open the Google and search for NLU Vacant Seats 2023. So the first link which you can see here is Abhyaas Lawprep dedicated portal for the convenience of students who are searching for various law universities. So whenever a university releases its vacancies, immediately we will update in this particular portal. So you can directly click the link, open the notification and apply from this particular portal itself. So look, have a look here. Nalsar has released its notification, and HNLU Raipur, GNLU Gandhinagar, Silvassa, Lucknow, Kochi, Patiala, Vishakhapatnam, Ranchi, Guwahati, Tiruchirappalli, Mumbai, Aurangabad, Shimla. So like this, all the universities which are releasing their vacant seats, so immediately you can get update in this particular portal. So have a look in this portal, keep it in the bookmark so that you can open it easily. Now let's have a look into the GNLU Silvassa. Just click the notification, the page will be appearing like this. So through this particular page, through this particular portal, you will be given a link of Google Forms where you can apply for the university and the payment link. Let's have a look the number of available seats, etc. So this is the list of available vacant seats under different categories. So first, under general category, they have 2 vacant seats. Under general category women, they have 2 separate vacant seats, and SC category 1 seat, and OBC women category 1 seat. So overall, GNLU Silvassa has 6 available vacant seats, and in future, the vacant seats number may also increase. So they did not mention any minimum or maximum rank to apply in this particular university. So that means irrespective of your rank, every student, those who have written Clat 2023 and they have qualified minimum eligibility criteria, they can opt for this particular university. Next, have a look in this. So the last date to apply for this GNLU Silvassa is 30th June 2023 5 p.m. That means before 5 p.m. of 30th June 2023 you need to apply and you have to pay the fee of 4,000 rupees non-refundable. So that means in order to enroll yourself under GNLU Silvassa, in order to apply for this, you have to pay 4,000 rupees non-refundable fee, and this 4,000 will be considered not only these 6 seats but also in future if any vacancy is available, your candidature will be considered. So either if you have interest to apply in GNLU Silvassa, you have to pay 4,000 fee and you are eligible for these vacancies, and if you don't get any allocation even in this also, so in future the same fee, the same application is eligible for consideration. So this is the rules mentioned under GNLU Silvassa. Now through website, so this is the official page of GNLU Silvassa. So first you need to pay the fee, 4,000 rupee fee in this particular portal after filling your particular details, name of the candidate, applied program for UG, applied and Clat admit card number, your email ID, phone number and the category which you are applying here, and the total amount of 4,000. After paying, you will get a receipt, and the same receipt you can upload in this particular form. This is the Google form. So here again you have to fill the mandatory details: name of the candidate, father's name, gender, applying for, as you are applying for a UG program, and the same Google form is also eligible for PG programs as well. So but as of now, as we are here, the dedicated portal is for UG students, and you can apply here under UG section, and your email ID, mobile number, Clat admit card, your all India rank, the marks which you have secured, and your intermediate percentage, and application for admission category, under which category you are trying to apply, and your payment receipt which you have paid. So you have to upload here your Clat scorecard. And if you have applied under reservation category, you have to upload your reservation, upload the consent file. So after filling all these things, if you submit, your candidature will be successfully enrolled with GNLU Silvassa, and if you are eligible, you will get allocation of the seat, and you will get an update from the Silvassa. Or if you are not, if you didn't get the seat, the same application is also eligible for future vacancies if at all arises. So keep one thing in mind: this is the last date is 30th June 2023, and this is one of the wonderful opportunity for those candidates who did not got seat allocation under various counseling dates of Clat consortium. So utilize this opportunity, and if you are confident if about your score, you can simply pay 4,000 rupees, which is non-refundable, and apply under various categories. So if you have any doubts regarding this counseling procedure, this application, etc. regarding Clat, you can always contact us at Abhyaas Lawprep, and we will provide you the contact numbers and the important links in the description section. So you can, by click on this, you can always contact us at any point of time. We are here to help you, and please utilize this opportunity, and all the best. Thank you.